Hi, today I'm going to talk about this topic about wiki problem and the team problem and how to define the differences between the wiki problem and the team problem. In my own perspective, after learning this unit, I find out that the wiki problem means that the problem we can't solve it, or there's no solution to finish this issue. But for the team problem, it may be such as equal the solvable problem. And as for many people, they didn't have such a large range of impossibility. So as I think, there are 5 points about wicked problems. The definition of wicked problem is they didn't have structured and they have open-ended, such as COVID-19, for example. If we suffered from the COVID-19 during these 3 years, and we can't finish this bio war, so that many countries use different ways to try to stop this virus. In China, in my country, I know that the government and the country use many difficult ways to try to stop this war. I think it is working, but eventually the virus going back again and again and again. So they didn't have a stopping rules, so they can't stop. We can't stop. Even the virus are disappeared now, but we can't like predict in the future, maybe 2 years or 5 years later they would come back. So that's also like open-ended. It's also a wicked problem. The definition of wicked problem, I think, is they are like multi-dimensional. They didn't have a clearly range. Also, they didn't have a specific solution to this problem. And for example, it's a wicked problem compared to the team problem. I think the most specific and significant point is that team problem do have a clearly range that give us some choices to solve the problem. As I mentioned, if we have a flu, that we can use vaccine to stop the flu from being effect to others, or this is like not that harmful and is different from virus, because as we all know that coronavirus are spread through air, and all human beings need to breathe every day, so we can't stop the air, and also we have to find out a way to just kill the virus, but we didn't know the virus very well. So I think that coronavirus, like COVID-19, is a wicked problem. And as I mentioned, all of these definitions to wicked problem, it all appears that we didn't have a very good choice or good way to solve it. There are too many problems that are wicked problems, such as the homeless, poverty in big cities such as Los Angeles or San Francisco, there are too many homeless people on the street, and maybe they have economic issues, or maybe they have some drug issues and some personal issues, and we can't define and we can't solve the problem just from one side. So this is the hard point. That's my understanding from this unit, and I'm looking forward to learn more about wicked problem. And yeah, that's it. Thank you to listen. Bye.